What is visual psychophysics? Let's break the word down. Psychophysics is the study of the functional relationships between the physical properties of stimuli and the psychological responses to them. In simple terms, visual psychophysics is a measurement of vision. Measurement of vision commonly occurs in eye examination procedures such as subjective refraction, visual acuity test, and color vision test. But what exactly are we measuring by means of visual psychophysical methods? The answer is threshold. What is threshold? Let's look at pain before we learn about threshold. This is Mick. He is here to help us learn about the pain he's going to suffer soon. Disclaimer: no animals are harmed in the production of this video. All safety measures are being taken care of before performing the above act. Looks like Mick is not feeling any pain yet. Let's pinch him harder. Okay, he's feeling something alright. Ouch, that's going to hurt. Looks like Mick has already reached his threshold of pain. The threshold in this case is the amount of pinching force Mick feels before he experiences pain. And so, the threshold in the measurement of vision is the level of brightness needed before the eye can detect the stimulus. For example, brightness of the stimulus is often increased slowly until the subject sees it. Let's look at the psychophysical methods involved in measurement of vision. First off, there is the method of limits. The brightness of the stimulus is slowly increased from non-seeing to seeing. This is also known as ascending limits. Another form of this method is done by reducing the brightness slowly from seeing to non-seeing, which is also known as the descending limits. The staircase method is a combination of the ascending and descending method of limits. When subject reports seeing the stimulus, the staircase is reversed. This method is quick and reliable as compared to the methods of limits. The method of constant stimuli is a method often used in research due to its statistical nature. A large number of stimuli is presented above and below threshold randomly. The response is then recorded for each stimulus presented to the subject. The data collected is then plotted on a graph to study the responses statistically. The method of adjustment is used in a color vision test known as the Nagel anomaliscope. The bottom hemisphere is given to the subject to adjust the color from red to green to match the given color in the top hemisphere above. In summary, we have learned that visual psychophysics is a measurement of vision, and that the measurement of vision involves the measurement of the threshold of vision, not pain. And last but not least, the four psychophysical methods involved in the measurement of vision, namely the methods of limits, staircase method, method of constant stimuli, and the method of adjustment.